Hello, let's solve this JAMB question. This is from JAMB 2018, number 5. A radioactive substance with initial mass of 12.0 gram has half-life of 6 years. What mass will disintegrate after 24 years? So we are going to solve and then we identify which of these answers is correct. The first thing to do is to present the data. Write it down. So from what is here, the initial mass is given as 12.0 gram. The half-life is also given as 6 years. The period of decay, or if you like, the period of half-life is also given as 24 years. We are told to calculate the mass, or if you like, the quantity after decay. So that is what we are now looking for. Note the formula to be used. So what formula are we using? Mass after decay is the same as X. So it's equal to the initial mass over 2 to the power of the number of half-lives. So if you look at this, we are looking for the mass after decay. Already the initial mass is given. So we are now to look for the number of half-lives. Then we substitute directly. Now, number of half-lives. Number of half-lives is equal to the period. This number of half-lives, I already said, is n. So it's equal to the period of decay over the half-life. Now, what is the period of decay? The period of decay is 24 years. So we have 24 years. And then the half-life. The half-life is 6 years. 6 years. Now, here's already cancelled the years. Okay. We have 6 in 6, 1. 6 in 24, that's 4. Therefore, the number of half-lives is equal to 4. Now, we employ this formula, which is mass after decay is equal to the initial mass all over 2 to the power of the number of half-lives. Now, what is the initial mass? The initial mass, if you look at it, is 12.0 gram all over 2 to the power of the number of half-lives, 4 half-lives. So, this is the same as 12.0 gram over 2 to the power of 4 is the same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 gives 4, and this 4 times 2 gives 8. This 8 times 2 gives 16. Therefore, 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16. And so we have 16 here. Now we proceed. The mass after decay is equal to, now look at this, what can cancel? 4 will go. 4 in 12 is 3, and then 4 in 16 is 4. Therefore, we are having 3 over 4 grams. Now, if we convert this from fraction to decimal, we'll be getting 4 in 3, impossible. You write down 0, and then you bring a decimal point here. The decimal point introduces 0 here. Now 4 in 37, because 4 times 7 is 28. Therefore, we have 7 is remaining 2. So we write the 2. Now 4 in 2, impossible, we add 0 because of the presence of this decimal point. Now 4 in 20, that's 5. Therefore, we have 5 gram. Now this is the answer. Let's check. 0.75 gram is the mass after decay. Is the mass after decay. Now let's look at it. We have our answer as C.